Hey Lazy Girl Approved fam, I am back today with some more colorful wig reviews as per usual. Today I found these two wigs that they've been out for a while, like you don't even see them on websites anymore really, but I was in the hospital when these came out, and I'm gonna do other reviews for a couple more that came out when I was in the hospital and wasn't ordering. And when I got out of the hospital, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. I want that. Couldn't find it anywhere. Well, I found it now. So these are, I'm just like, oh, I'm so happy I found them. Main Concept Red Carpet Lace Front Wig, RCP7050 Sweet Macaron 2. So anybody who knows wigs knows these have been out sometime. Don't usually see them on websites anymore. So I got it in two colors. Two colors. Watermelon, which is the one I absolutely was looking everywhere for, and Avocado, which is one of the ones where I'm like, that's gorgeous. I just don't know how it'll look on me because I feel like those colors, like green and yellow, sometimes look better on darker skin, but we're going to give it a go. So they were $38.70. And I found them on this website called Dax Boutique, DACS Boutique. And let me tell you, I didn't know about this website until like a month ago. And I was so excited because they have so many of the styles and colors that I could not find anywhere else of things. They're not usually discounted. They're usually like the regular price they were. But for some of those, I'm fine with paying that because I love the colors. And I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, I can get these now. So I wanted to share them with you in case you want to go get them from that website. I don't know how many they have, but if you really love it, go get it. So let's, without further ado, start. So we've got Sweet Macaron 2 in Watermelon. All right, so here is the card. And it is her right there. And let me tell you something. This wig is what got me into wigs. I know I said I couldn't get it back then, but well, let's see. Let me show you before I keep rambling about this, what she's looking like. And she is lace front. Let me see what else. So 5-inch deep lace part, baby hairs, soft and skin-friendly lace. I'm not sure what that means. Friendly on edges, 100% hand-tied, 10 inches blunt bob cut. So let's see. So she's got definitely a nice space up front here of lace. And she's got two combs in the front. She's got one in the back. I think I maybe only have one other Main Concept. But let me get the lace cut off and then I will show you what she's looking like. All right. Her lace is off. She's looking like this. So let's get her on. So what I was saying is that when I first had to cut my hair off, I had to cut it off because I was having health issues and I was taking chemotherapy medication. It was making my hair fall out and I was so much in pain and hurting all the time. And I just couldn't do my hair. I had hair halfway down my back and I just said, forget this, shaved it off. It was so freeing. It was so great. But after a while, you know, I missed my hair. I can't say I missed my hair. I wanted colorful hair. I wanted to express myself. And so I started looking at wigs and I found this. But by the time I found it, it was out. Like it had been out a while. It is shedding quite a bit. So they had been out a while and I literally could not find them anywhere. Fast forward, it's been over a year. This is shedding a lot. It's been over a year and I happened upon this website trying to find a different wig, and here she was, and I thought like it was a joke or like I had to check and make sure that this was a legitimate website. You know how they be putting up those websites and then scam you. You never receive the thing. So I had to do my research. I was like, oh, this is real. This is legit. Love it. Gonna order it. And I love her. It's like just in time for summer. It literally, like, I see why they call it watermelon. I know watermelons don't have fluorescent colors, but holy crap. This color alone is just absolutely stunning. I can't even. Okay. I love her. So glad I found her. She was the beginning of my wig journey, even though I didn't have her. So we have come full circle to where now I'm doing them all the time, and I have lovely people following me. It's great. It's great. So she's super soft, and she's not shedding so much. She's just shedding a little bit now. So I may have been when I cut the lace. I cut some hair, so we'll monitor it as I'm going along. So she is pretty thin, which can be good, which can be bad. Good because it's more realistic, because most people do not have, well, a lot of people do not have, I won't say most, because there are people that have super thick hair. I don't have thick hair. It's my hair's naturally very fine. It's a little thick, but it's not, it's like this. If I straighten it, basically. Yeah. So, and the hairline looks really good. You know, you could pluck it. It looks, let me say that. Let me take that back. It looks good here. The part could use some plucking. But it's not like fake looking. So like I could go out of the house like this fine without plucking and anything. Yeah, so let's test her big head friendliness. She's, I wouldn't say super big head friendly. You have some room in there. She's a little tight, but not like around this way, but not like I'm gonna get a headache. So you have some room to play with in there if you have more hair or a bigger head. Some room, some. But she's gorgeous. That's a different smell. That smells good. I don't think I've smelled that smell on a wig before. So let's get a 360. So far I'm liking her. So let's just see what she looks like all the way around. Alright, so now that you've seen the 360, what do you guys think? I think she's a laser girl proof thumbs up. I could go out just like this without having to do, well, I guess I cut lace off, but besides that, she's gorgeous. She's stupid fun. Like, imagine going out like this with this hair. People would be like, oh my god, I love your hair. I could see that, like, going to a picnic or a barbecue or something, not that I do that often, but, you know, just, it's fun. It's so fun. And it was, what did I say, $38.70. So I think it's worth it. Let's go to the next color and see what she looks like. This one is Avocado. So this is her. You can't really see her color in here. Show you back. So it's like green and yellow. Let's get her out. Alright, so this is her card. This is the other side of the card. And this is what she's looking like out of the package. I love that she is dark rooted. You know, I love dark roots. It just, to me, is more realistic to what my hair looks like. And I feel like people would think it's more realistic. It's got the two combs in the front. And the lace And one comb in the back. And the elastic adjusters, of course. Let me show you that lace again, or more. So it's got some pretty decent lace. So, and it is on the darker side. So, let's get this lace off and see what she's looking like. All right, so here she is with the lace off. Let's get her on. Let's see if my wig cap will stay. Please stay. It's very hard to get the back of my hair in this wig cap, so I don't want to have to try to put it on again. All right. Okay. She's cute too. I feel like this wouldn't have looked as good if it didn't have dark roots, so I'm happy. It has dark roots. I can see it here. I see it. All right. I like her. What do you guys think? There's a little bit of shedding. I tried to brush her out before I put her on because I did cut some of the lace. I mean, some of the, when I cut the lace, some of the hair came with it because I cut it in a little bit. Hair everywhere. It is a little bit, I will say, it's a little bit more strawy looking. Like the hairs that are coming off, and at the ends it looks, but to me it's like, that's kind of what most people's hair looks like when you straighten it, because you kind of wreck it by coloring it and straightening it and all that stuff. So, kind of realistic. I could wear it out like this. I would probably take a straightener or a hot comb though. It needs a little more like shaping or, cohesion. I don't know if that's the right word. Goodness. I moved her part over a little bit and I feel like that looks a little bit better. I don't know, it looks more like symmetrical now, and like maybe it's meant to be a little to the side. So I think that looks better. I think that these are definitely a Lazy Girl approved thumbs up. You just have to cut the lace and swear and go. With this color, you'd probably want to put some powder in the part. If that'd be the most other thing I'd do. Maybe hot comb it, but again, not required. You could go out just like this. She's cute. She's fun. I see why they call her avocado. The inside and the middle and the outside. Middle, outside. Anyways, I'm from California, so I see a lot of avocados all the time my whole life. I am not living there now, though, so I don't see avocados so much out here on the East Coast. I digress. She's soft. She's big-headish, friendly. She's, 38, 70. Not too bad for colored wig. She's pretty. She's, low maintenance, not shedding. I say these are Lazy Girl approved. So, let me know what you guys think. Let me know which one is your favorite color. Let me know if you have these and how they stood up to the test of time. Let me know. Thank you, as always, for hanging out with me, for spending time with me. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.